Welcome to Minexa.ai, where you can quickly scrape residential property listings and pull clean data from any website with ease, whether using Excel or APIs. Navigate to the century21mexico.com page, where the residential property listings are clearly shown and ready to scrape. Now, click the Minexa.ai extension icon in your browser's top right corner to get started with extracting data. Press the violet button labeled I'm on the right page, so Minexa.ai can analyze the current page and detect the residential property listing data. Minexa.ai detects the site's navigation and ensures no listings get cut off on page 1, capturing all available data smoothly. Choose whether to scrape just the list for speed or include detail pages to get the full picture of each property listing. Proceed with Continue, or use advanced mode to define clicks, scrolls, or inputs needed before results appear for custom workflows. Minexa.ai has found and highlighted the data section on the page. Click Create Scraper, and it will detect every field and store the structure for you. All fields are found automatically, including price, location, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Select what you need, and Minexa.ai keeps data consistent between runs. Developers, click the API request button to get Python code with built-in parallel processing for scraping large batches of URLs easily. Validate your settings and click Complete Configuration to save the scraper and prepare it for running your extraction job. Minexa.ai automatically detects the Next Page button for pagination, or you can continue if no pagination is needed to collect the full dataset. Finally, schedule the job if you want fresh data regularly. Then click Complete Setup to finalize your scraping configuration. The last step is to run the job. Just click Run, and Minexa.ai will start extracting all the residential listings data. Here is your extracted data. Every property listing is in its own row with details like price, location, bedrooms, bathrooms, and more. Minexa.ai ensures no errors or corrupted data slip through, giving you reliable and structured results every time. Download your dataset easily. Each row is complete with separate columns for all fields, ready for analysis or integration. No code or technical skills needed, and no additional costs for large data. Minexa.ai scales effortlessly and works for everyone needing web data extraction.